extreme weather right here, we are actually looking at the lots of new things with this program. This is very cool. This how much it have, and also it's very little bit very cool things, and also it have how much dew points scenario coming days, and over clouds are coming away with this. And also this program some is also have very cool it and also have superstation, and also to get it, and also during this snow event on the radar shows way to have any the I think the blue things up there could be some snow or other things like that in the way. Up there, there's some snow for the forecast up there, and also how much those things will pick up. You know, there's lots of there's more, and it will have some snow, but isn't it like on the different areas there could be lots of very cold events coming our way, and also there's already been like 3 tornado warnings. So far, there's no tornadoes, but there could be an as well in a different program. We'll talk in a little bit. And also, really cool with this is show you the cities and the time we'll go prepare for it. This is why I like this programs also. It has like 6 minutes and ready to get these storms and show what it is. Venture will be at very still 6 minutes, and also another storm in just in a 1 minute. In a 1 minute. And also there's another storm appearing. Will be in 5 minutes to all the way to 7 minutes. That's how far it can go. Or there's a lot of things it can go. And more farther away to all the way till the max you want to see where the storms are going to head towards. Like you know, there's a lot of going on over time with these storms. we don't know will producing these tornadoes or hail, but these the purple means hail, and the red and or the pink is show tornadoes. So far, it's just tornadoes. It's just very interesting. The the Bennett tracks did not shows any storms, not yet, but maybe the bottle will have the wind direction also. It have more things to it. How much wind shear at it is 0 per hour, but is 21% chance could happen. Just 21% chance. Yellow and purple lightning strikes are like in a cloud or down strikes of the lightning. That's what we're going occurring over time. In a cloud or in down cloud, lightning strikes over time. It just we need to prepare for it happens for those storms. This in case will happens. And also have like the for like sea temperature. This what I will like the most. Show you how much warm will grow for these storms in the Gulf. And also have the models. I will do using it more often. I will show you it right now when I will clean up these warnings and other things. And also the other weather warnings. And also the cleanup on the radar. There's a blank map, but we're going to use these clouds as the more down south, and these storms can potentiate it over time. How many percent chance for the storms will going hit? There's a way. There's a lot of things with these models, and also how much those clouds with precipitation will grow or not over time. How much precipitation will going to get. But the more farther, maybe less accuracy. But it's also have lots of interesting with this. Do you know how much these to for adding humidity? Each levels are different, and also have some snow precipitation as well. Just it's really cool what's going on. The very interesting is about the storm Hysteria. So it starts really low, but there's a little bit high. But there's now lots of cape. Very low cape in the energy as the answer fear. Just very low. Because those maybe some will have at least 200 joules for cape, but we don't know how much difference. But more difference will be in the round tornado alley in the next couple weeks. We have gonna be a massive filter system, eventually have like 61,640 joules. That's a lot of energy with this much cape in this format. If we have a large area potentially with that. And also it will have a large, but it will never producing a project for large hail. There's not lots of hail path. It's not shoving it up. But the tropical storm track is still only the Gulf will happen. And there's no hurricanes about that. There's only a low pressure system. There's breaking clouds front. And also there's storms bring it down all the way down. That airplane goes all the way to the Gulf. See, there's a storm activity, but it's far away out. They have lots of time. But there's a lot of interesting with the future radar introducing these violent storms. These storms will be producing lots of damage, wind, and hail moving on over time. But not really far out, but it's there, those storms generating vulnerability systems. For that forecast. And this and also the model predicting the predicting how much we'll have each day. But slowly it's just gonna be less dangerous as theme as the cape for the next 6 hours. I will always told about it. Like this humidity will reduce any something and up there, and also for dew points, and also it's just how warm and dry it is. So it's very warm and very cold air. The below is just gonna be like 27 and 28 below average temperature. Some areas. There's some areas will have some weird precipitation with the mix. With some snow and some rain. With the dew points, snail, with it going on over time. There's how much snow we'll going to get in all the North America and Canada. Each time we're going to get to it. Some areas have a lot of snow, and up there by the Rockies, and all the way to the eventually round to the North Canada, and all the way to the bottom. And also, I will show you my other programs to show you like this one and also the other one. This is just the weather bell, and this my other programs I kind of like more than Ben Threat. Just show easily just on the menu on the right, and just not getting away when you're doing for your forecast matters. That's why I like the most, and show you realize how dark colors are. There's more wind shear as well with this. This is why I like the most with it. But there's no lower cape will going to happen near these years or farther away. But there's gonna be lower fatability for the cape. But in the tornado region will be still going again. There's gonna be a lot of chance for that cape of producing those storms. And this the GPS model version of like that cape. So more farther away than less accuracy. Try to realize how much these going storms going happens again with these dew points, scenario, and other ones as well. And this dew points rise a bigger one again, and let you know about it before it's happening. These storms season, and also I already have another surprise eventually in the future when I will have it access to it. But maybe the most chance for storms in Northeast is November 4th. But again, there's lots of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas going to hit again, bang, bang. I'm seeing lots of cold air with a warm air collide with these felt systems over time. Just how much we are going to see it happening for the next future days with these storms, and also how much going to happen in each community and atmosphere as well. Those two greens with the cape, and it's going to crazy distantly with the November 4th. We need to keep eye on it over time. Test with it. Yeah. There's how much other ones and as well. This is my other favorite program with the called Duke page, but this model there's other cool new tools. Like this one is a little bit newest than all, but it have very interesting with it. There will be there's lots more history. That means there's a lot of heat with the atmosphere over time with it. But it's all that history in the spin and the atmosphere. There's transport those storms. And there's some are very strong with these storms when it's outflow and flow over time with these beating those cold fronts and really cold air. And also have the super cells falsely, but will be eventually on 18 4 hours will be more chance for those supercells to forming. It's not really amazing time, but there still will be possibility in the next 3 days or 4 days possibility for those storms too as well. This is what I mean. This dark yellow it means the sun have enough energy for these thunderstorm blowing up. That's why I like it. And I don't know about you. There's lots of very interesting things. That's why I need to keep eye on it. Any things like around this area, there's a lot of interesting these storms. Just, that's why I just waiting for it's the biggest moment for it happen. Just like you know about what I like for to be like weather meteorologist what how much these different programs will be accurate or not. There's a lot of meteorologists they using more than one model to predicting those storms over time and day. Just like you know what's going on with these storms. This is extreme weather over here.